Here we're highlighting our financial Power BI dashboard pack. And what you see is you get a high-level visual of all the financials and the cost plans that you're dealing with, from planning to actuals, even into the concept of, any benefit if you're using that. With these dashboards, you can filter them, so you can look at a specific investment manager. You can look at investments, all of them, or multiples. In this case, you can see 656 investments in my world. And we also hooked this up to hierarchy. So if you want to see this relative to a specific hierarchy set of projects. Giving you the costing, allowing you to visualize these by different metrics. So here we can look at it by progress or goal. And so we can see the different components there. As we look into actuals versus plan cost, we're seeing some of the detail. Again, we have the charts at the different options, and then you can drill to see more information associated with that. So we want to look at all the not started, and we can see the charts there and what's going on. And the period time frames you can see here as well. And then lastly, how does our plan benefit compare to those actual costs? And so, did we anticipate where the revenue associated with this was going to exceed or meet based on the costs? And so giving you visibility into that. So the value proposition here is we're giving you some visualizations for your financials. We do allow you to change these. We provide all of the source here. So if you have the expertise, you absolutely can do that. So, I see some of our customers don't do plan benefit, so you could eliminate that tab if that's not useful for you. But hopefully you found this quick presentation useful.